What is the difference between a generative and a discriminative language model? Answer: a generative language model is designed to model the joint distribution of both the input features and the target labels, allowing it to generate new samples from the learned distribution. This means that it can create new and original text, sentences, or even entire stories. On the other hand, a discriminative language model focuses on directly modeling the conditional distribution of the target labels given the input features. This means that it is primarily used for tasks such as classification, prediction, and regression, where the goal is to make predictions or classify input data into specific categories. In simpler terms, a generative model is like a creative writer able to come up with new and original ideas, whereas a discriminative model is like a detective trying to figure out what's already there and making predictions based on that. Generative models are often used in applications such as language translation, text summarization, and chatbots, where the ability to generate new and original text is valuable. Discriminative models, on the other hand, are often used in applications such as sentiment analysis, spam detection, and question answering, where the goal is to make predictions or classify input data. While both types of models have their own strengths and weaknesses, generative models offer greater flexibility and versatility in capturing complex data dependencies and generating novel samples. However, discriminative models often exhibit superior performance and efficiency in tasks requiring direct inference or classification. Ultimately, the choice between a generative and discriminative language model depends on the specific task and application at hand.